Hello world! Hello everyone de la Cruz. Welcome to Everyone Can Code. One, or One de la Cruz, symbolizes every Filipino. Everyone Can Code, or ECC, is an online campaign that aims to build a community of coders. ECC believes that every Filipino, regardless of age, gender, and status, can be creative and can learn how to code. We would like to communicate that coding is an essential skill in this age and time. Coding is the language of technology and promotes critical thinking and problem solving. Teaching coding is about teaching thinking. ECC aims to build a community that equips every Filipino with coding skills. With ECC, we would like to move away from the mentality that coding is just for geeks, technical, and smart individuals. And we wish to remove the intimidation in coding. With innovation plus localization, we hope that every student, our young generation, and every Filipino can learn how to code for the future of our digital economy and nation building. We also look forward for our graduates to have an option to not just be an employee, but become a digital entrepreneur and start up their own business. PMC Business Systems Inc. or PBSI offers a step-by-step ladderized training program for coding. As a technology training center, we have Apple certified trainers who can run Apple's curriculum for Swift Programming SDK and iOS app development. Join us every Monday at 2 p.m. for our online free coding webinar. There will be t-shirts for grab to our winners. Just simply follow the instructions of our trainer. And if you have comments or questions, you can post it on our comment section.
Hello everyone! Welcome to another ECC live session. Kamusta ang bawat isa? Let's keep ourselves safe and make sure that we follow safety protocols. By the way, my name is Ashley and I will be your teacher for today. Ang topic natin ngayon ay para sa mga gustong mag-umpisa ng sariling online store or i-level up pa ang kanilang startup business. Lalo na ngayon na usong-uso ang online shopping. Ang gagamitin natin ngayong platform ay yung tinatawag na Shopify. Kasama sa pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-create ng account, mag-add ng mga products hanggang maging live ang store nyo. So, huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let's start! First, ano nga ba ang Shopify? Ang Shopify ay isang online platform na kung saan pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mo online store at pwedeng gamitin ng mga customers mo para mag-check out ng mga products or service na ino-offer mo. So this has 14 days free trial. So nag-start ang plan nila from $29 up to $299. After 14 days, that's the time that mag-start yung paid subscription para makapag-start kang mag-take ng orders from your customers. So you can explore this to see kung ano ba yung features. So for example, here for the basic plan, for the staff accounts, you can have up to 2 person na nagmamanage or nag-admin ng account nito. And then, for the recommended one, they have 5 staff. And then we have here 15. So you can visit this page ni Shopify so that you can check the complete features of each plan. But for now, we're going to start with the free trial. So close ko lang muna to. So to start with, you can open your browser. It can be Safari, Google Chrome, or if you have other browsers na ginagamit on your computer, that will be fine. So in my case, I'm using Chrome. On this part, in the URL part, type in here shopify.com. So ito yung page niya. So for this one, we'll start with the free trial. To enter an email address, I would suggest you choose an active email address so that if there are notifications or if there are verifications needed, mas madali nyo siyang ma-access. So, do not use a dummy account. Okay? So, in my case, I already created a demo account. So, here I'm going to type bestdecorph@gmail.com. Then you can set up any password na gusto mo. So, type ko lang dito. And then your store name. So, this store name can be changed later on sa settings. For this one, I'll be using Best Decor PH. Yeah. Then click Create Your Store. So, wait for it to load up. So, isa-set up lang siya. Mabilis na setup lang to. And then, there you go. So, for step 1, just have to provide some details here. So, if you are starting, pwedeng yung iselect, I'm just playing around or not selling products yet. So, wala namang bearing to dito sa setup. So, on my case, let's say, playing around. So, in my case, I'll be choosing not selling products yet. Do you have something to sell? So, let's say brainstorming, current revenue. So, getting started pa lang. Then, for this demo, I'll be creating an online store for furniture. So, hanapin ko, ayan, furniture. And then, you click next. You can also skip that if you like. And then, some details. Just fill out other information na needed on this account. So, let's say, Ashley. And then, building 2, 3. So this is our office in Makati. So yan, region, Metro Manila. And then you can skip this, or if you have your other website or personal website, you can also put it here. And then click enter my store. Okay, valid phone number 09. Yeah. And then same thing, just wait for it to load up. Kasi set up lang siya ni Shopify for a minute or 2. And then, yan. So here. So here is the inside of the store. So isa-isahin lang natin yung mga items na nandito. On our left side, we have here some options, some buttons that will be used later on kapag nag-setup na tayo ng pinaka-store natin. So I'll start here with home. Here sa home, there are articles and video tutorials that will be helpful for you as you go along setting up the online store. And then here, on this part, may mga items dito, add products, customize themes, accept payment, set shipping rates. These are the things that are important when setting up the online store. So, isa-isahin natin siya later on. And then, also, you can see here, your trial just started. So, on this part as well, makikita nyo kung ilang days na lang yung natitira for your free trial, and a button here for you to select a plan if you already decided kung ano yung gagamitin nyo after the 14 days free trial. So here, orders. Let's click orders. On this part, you can see all the checkout items ng customers nyo. And then, there are drafts as well. So if you have service wherein they can call you or may mga email invoice from your customers, dito siya, you can create a draft order. And then there's abandoned checkout. So on this part, you can see lahat ng na-add to cart but not yet check out ni customer. For products, later on, we will be using this to add the products that we have. So inventory, to track your inventory, transfer, collection. So collection, ito yung, for example, your products is more on clothes, kung meron kayong pang summer, or for rainy season. So, kung may mga parang set of items kayo na ilo-launch from time to time, you can add it here on the collections. And then gift cards. You can also create gift cards products so that if you have customers who would want to purchase gift cards, digital gift cards for their loved ones, pwedeng dito tayo mag-add ng gift cards. Here on customers, you can add customer details or import customer details for you to track, for example, their purchase habit. So, makikita mo kung, let's say, si customer 1, madalas ito yung binibili niya. Si customer B, if this is the first time na nag-purchase siya. So, you can see it here, their purchase habit. And then for the analytics, here dashboards, reports, and live view. Here in the dashboard, you can see the sales performance from today, and then the returning customer rate, online store sessions, conversions, orders. Ayan. So, ito yung mga makatrace nating details from the performance ng ating mga products. And then we have here reports. So total sales for the last 30 days, customers, and yan, finances, behavior. If you have marketing, inventory, dito nyo din po siya makikita. We also have here live view. So the current visitors, nung time na chinek mo siya, you can see it here, the total number of orders and the total current sales from the time na chinek mo. You can see it here on the live view. Next, we have here marketing. So for marketing, we have here campaigns and promotions for online stores. And what's good about here is that there are video tutorials. So yan, close ko na lang. There are video tutorials on how you could market or promote your items more. Yeah, how to design your product page. Then we have here, if you want to spend ads, you can check some tutorials. So yan. Then campaigns, and then the automations. Dito po natin na nakikita. And then discounts. You can create discount codes for your customers, or if there are special occasions or holidays, pwedeng yung isabay yon when you're once you launch discounts. Then if you have automatic discounts, pwede nyo siya ditong i-set up. Next naman, under sales channel, we have here the online store. So, ito na yung pinaka-store na kiniit natin. So, click online store. Then, there are items na mag-a-appear. We have your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, domains, and preferences. So, select muna natin yung themes. So, current theme natin, if you want to see how the page will look like kapag nilive nyo na siya, you can click this eye icon next dun sa word na online store. So, if you click that, mag-open siya ng another tab, and here it is. This is how your page will look like kapag nilaunch na siya. So, empty page pa siya. So, isa-isahin natin yung laman nito later on. So, balik ako dito. So, on this part, once you click themes, you can click customize. So, here on customize, this gives us a space para po malagay na natin yung mga details na gusto natin for our homepage. So, let's start with the header. So, here in header, ito po yan. Itong nasa taas na to. You can set where you want to place your logo. So, pwedeng left side, pwedeng centered. I want to put it on the left, and you can upload a picture. You can click upload an image and then find the picture, the logo na gagamitin mo. So once you design a logo, I would suggest you make it as transparent yung background niya para mag-match siya on your page. So yan. So this is my logo. Then select the logo and click open. Wait for it na mag-load dun sa page. So this one, I'll select this and then click select. You can change the size of the logo. So according to your preference. And then for the menu, currently we have here 2 items pa lang. We have here the home and then the catalog. If we click edit menu, mapupunta tayo sa another page. Balikan na lang natin siya later on. So let's go back to the home page template. Next, let's try to change this part. Image with text overlay. So let's click this. So select an image. So if you have other images or if you have ready-made pictures that you want to use, that will be better. So click upload and then find the image na gagamitin mo. Select and then click open. If, let's say, you are just playing around pa on this free trial, it's okay kasi meron pang mga free images dito na ready na ni Shopify. So, staff favorite. So, and then, pwede mo na siyang i-load right away dito sa mga areas na to. So, this one, the picture that I use, downloaded from a website. So, free stock photos for this demo. Kaya siya pro shot na din. So, ayan. So, ito yung gusto kong gamitin. So, to change this text part, so, click nyo lang yung select and then para maset na siya dito. And then here, makikita niyan, scroll nyo lang etong heading. Pwede nyo siyang palitan. I want it na ang ilalagay ko is for your minimalist home. And then, pwede nyo tanggalin tong subtext na nandito or pwede din kayong mag-add. So, yan. Pwede din kayong mag-insert ng link. For example, view products. So, itong view products, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng link. Diretso, pwede dun sa gagawin nyo collection later on. So, yan. Or products. So, pwedeng yung link ng lahat ng products. And then, click insert. So, notice that when I added the link, yung word na product, nagkaroon ng underline. So, if let's say, yung buong word, yung gusto nyong lagyan ng link, pwede nyong iselect yung whole word and select nyo yung whole text and then insert link. So, pwedeng ang link is from the related pages na ginawa mo or pwedeng outside. So mine will be yung whole product na lang. And then click insert. So back na natin. So yan. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. And then for this part, pwedeng image text. If let's say you want to feature or if you want to highlight a good item. So yan, I choose a different picture. So wait for it to load up. Yan. And then you can also change the details here. So yeah. There's no place like home, for example. So you can add text here or pwede nyo din siyang i-remove. So shop now. Kung meron kayong ibang text na gustong ilagay, pwede nyo din siya ilagay dito. And then here sa mga text columns, you can also put, kung meron kayong mga related articles na gustong maging, gusto yung gawin link yung mga title, pwede din siya. So same set or same step lang ng ginawa ko kanina. If let's say naman gusto nyong tanggalin tong area na to, pwede nyong i-click tong remove selection dito sa lower left corner. Remove selection. And then here, featured collection. So kung meron kayong mga products, so balikan natin to later on kasi mag-add na tayo ng product. So exit. So before you leave this part, don't forget to click save. And then, since na-open ko na siya kanina, i-refresh ko na lang tong part na to. Ayan. So, this is our homepage. So, in this part, pwede nyo itong tanggalin. If you have reviews, pwede din kayong mag-add dyan. If merong mga reviews from your customers na, pwede nyo pong i-add yan dito. Balik tayo dito sa area na to. And then, punta muna ako sa products. Under products, we have here all products. Add muna tayo. Add product. So to add your product, you put here the title, the description, and then the media. So quick tip for those na gusto mag-start ng online store, make sure that the title of the product is something na mabilis or yung common or yung keyword for that specific item para kapag sinearch siya ng customer mo, mas madaling mag-up sa search result yung product mo or yung pinaka-website. That's why, if you would notice on my pictures, even the name of my pictures, kaya may word na minimalist, dito, minimalist decor. Pag sinearch siya ng mga customers, may chance na mag-up agad yung mga items mo. Plus, of course, you need some other tools para ma-optimize pa yung products. So, let's start with, I want to, for example, my product would be, start with mirror, this round, so this round mirror. So, click open. Load pa ako ng isa. Let's say, yung likod na part. On the title, I'll type here, minimalist round wall mirror. So, yan. So, depende na lang dun sa strategy nyo kung paano nyo i-optimize yung pinaka-product. So, after you type the title, so, pwede nyo lagay dyan gold. So, you have other variations pa for this kind of item. And then here, description, don't forget to put description. So, for example, diameter, yan, diameter, tapos yung weight, Pwede nyo din siyang lagyan, like for example, special instruction. Kung meron kayong mga special instruction for this type of item. Yan. Next one, we have here the price. So you can put, for example, 400. And then what is this compare at price? So if you want to show like discount part, pwede mo siyang lagyan dito. So for example, compare price niya is 500 pesos. So nag-load lang siya, pero yan. So mangyayari dyan is instead of 500, you gave 100 pesos off discount dito sa item na to. And then SKU and then barcode. Dito din sa ilalagay for your inventory. And then available items. Pwedeng, for example, I have 10. For the weight, so let's say sa akin 1 kilo. And then country, region. Let's say Philippines. And then what is this part? Dito sa lower part, search engine listing preview. So kapag may nag-search, so let's say there's a customer na nag-search ng minimalist round wall mirror gold. And then on this part, search engine listing preview. So ito yung sinasabi ko earlier. The reason why maganda na ang gamitin yung title and description, something related dun sa pinopromote nyo, para pag sinearch siya, for example, sa Google or sa Yahoo, ganito yung mag-a-appear sa kanya. So, isa siya dun sa mag-a-up agad. Kasi related or it's already a keyword para dun sa item. So, if you want to change, pwede nyo i-click yung edit website para mag-iba yung result niya. But in my case, ito na yon. Click save. Yan, product save. And then the status. So currently, makikita nyo naka-draft pa din siya. So hindi pa siya naka-live dun sa store. So if you change this to active, don't forget to click save. And wait for it to load up. So if you go to dun sa live version no online store nyo, just refresh ko lang. If you go to catalog, mag-a-appear na po siya dito. So, ito yung sa pricing. Original price, and then ito yung current price niya. So, lumabas siya na para siyang nakasave. So, let's go back here. So, if you click the online store, so balik tayo sa online store, you can actually check how the page will look like kapag sa mga mobile devices naman siya sinearch or na-view. So to do that, you click, you go back to themes and then you click, and then you click customize and then babalik kayo dito sa template na to. And then on this part, sa right side, sa upper right side, click this computer icon and then change it to mobile. And then, ayan siya. So, kapag sa phone siya na-view or sa iPad or sa tablet, ganito ang magiging view niya. So, that's another good thing with Shopify. You don't need to create another interface for mobile dahil naka-set na siya. So, automatic na siyang nag-a-adjust. So, let's go back to here. So, nakapag-add na tayo ng product. Pwede din tayong mag-add sa product so if I click all products, so ayan na siya. Let's say for the collection. So, this collection, so currently kasi we only have 2 pages. So, one is home and then the catalog. Create collection. So, let's say I'll have living room. So you can put description here. This is test details for this collection. Yan, living room, or pwedeng minimalist para mag-optimize din siya. Minimalist living room. So, pwede nyo din tong baguhin for the formatting. Yan. Yan. So, if you want to insert video, you can also insert video and also image. Pwede din. You can also have tables, links. Want to change the color? Pwede din naman po yan. Kung gray, medyo hindi siya makikita sa page. So, yan. Then for the search engine, this is how will it look like. And then click save. Yan. Enter some text for product tags. Ito, product tag. Ayan, for the condition, pwede nyo siyang i-change. Depende sa magiging collection na to. Pwedeng according din to product vendor, price, tag, weight, inventory, stock. Pwede nyo siyang i-change dito. So, let's say product price. So, yeah, it's greater than, let's say 300. And then you can also add another condition for this. Then don't forget to click save. So now, it says here, saved collection. You can go back to your collections. And then meron ka na dito. So you go back here and then click online store. And then under online store, go back to themes. So, on this part, dito sa current themes, i-click customize. So, para bumalik tayo dito sa template area. And then, here on featured collection, so since hindi kasi natin siya na-select kanina, ang gagawin natin is we can select collection na ginawa natin na greater than 300 since the collection was set with the condition na i-feature dito are items more than 300. So, mag-a-appear siya dito. And then, you can go back. So, if let's say, meron kayong mga part na sa tingin nyo hindi nyo na kailangan, pwede nyo po yung i-delete. Select it, and then again, remove section. So, for the testimonial, kung meron kayong mga testimonial, let's say, ayan. So, just have to copy paste here kung may testimonial na sinend sa'yo yung customer. So, for example, so happy with my purchase. And then the author's name. For example, Juan de la Cruz. And then, click save. So, magbabago na siya. So, if let's say you don't need other testimonials, pwede namang i-remove mo siya or pwede ka ding mag-add. The item was shipped earlier than expected. Kudos to this site. Ayan. For example, yan. Yan. Then, click save. So, once na na-save mo na, you can go back and then refresh yung site. So, see, munti-unti nyo siyang nabubuo. And then, on this part, so usually sa mga online store, di ba, there are quick links about the details of the company, how you can contact them. And then, if let's say they are hiring people, pwede tayo mag-create ng direct link here. So, to do that, you can go to, so let's go back to this page. And then, under online store, we can click navigation. So for the footer menu, so yun yung nasa baba, click this footer. You can add menus. So but before we add menus, better that we add pages muna. So let's add about us and then the contact. So let's go back here under online store. Let's click pages. And then let's add another page. So for example, we have here about us. So I already prepared a sample about us. So you can also do that para copy-paste na lang siya. Yan. And then click save. Yan, meron na tayong about us. Add tayo ng isa pang page. Add another page. We have here contact us. So you include details for inquiry, send us a message, or you would want to put your store number, you can also include it here, or if you want to upload a map, if you have a physical store, pwedeng din yan dito. So click save. Yan. So we already have the 2 pages. So let's go back to navigation. And then here's the footer menu. We can add tayo ng about us. So pages, you click pages and then about us. Click add. And then let's add another one, yung contact us. And then click pages again and then contact. Yeah. Then don't forget to click save. So now, once we go back on this part dito sa quick links, you will see that meron tayong na-add na dalawa. Search, ito yung una, and then the added one, ito yung added natin is about us and contact us. So medyo ayusin lang pa natin. Let's add more products. So add lang ako ng mga products para mas maganda yung tsura. Add product. Minimalist. Dining set. Yan. White and wood combination. Yan. Add files. So yan, medyo na doble. Tanggalin na natin siya. So if you need to delete a picture, click nyo lang to. And then click delete media. And then for the pricing, let's say 3,000. Wait. So click save. So if you click catalog, so notice that hindi siya nag-add dito. It's because we need to change the status of the product to active. And then click save. And kapag na-save na siya, you can go back here sa products and then, ayan. So for viewing, meron na siyang zoom feature para mas makita yung details ng item. So let's go back to this part. So, dito sa home, so we're able now to add product, customize yung theme. Na-customize na rin natin yan. Click lang natin to ulit. Baka meron tayong hindi pa natapos. So, ayan. Kailangan lang siya i-refresh. And then, for the payment, you can set different payments. So, pwede siyang PayPal if you're going to use PayPal. But of course, you need to change the account details kung ano yung PayPal account na gamit nyo. Pwede din siyang third-party providers. And then, for manual payments, pwede siyang via bank deposit or cash on delivery. So, kung mag-accept kayo ng COD, dito nyo po siya isa-set. And then, kung may alternative payment providers kayo na gustong gamitin, pwede nyo po yung i-click and then you can check here. For this demo, wala muna tayong i-add na payment options. But if let's say in your case, kung let's say mag-a-add na kayo ng payment, you just have to click the settings button here at the lower left side. So aside from payments, you can also include checkout kung meron kayong gustong set up for the checkout or if you want to customize the checkout page, yan, dito nyo po yan gagawin. So let's go back to home. Set shipping rates. So for the shipping rate, so you can set how much will it cost for domestic or let's say mag-cater din kayo ng international shipping. You can manage the shipping rates on this settings dito sa shipping and delivery. For the last part of our discussion, notice that for this website, magiging domain ng website na to would be bestdecor.myshopify.com. If you are really going to use this as your online store, better to have your own domain para at least customize siya dun sa pangalan ng store nyo. So for Shopify, to do that, you can click this domains under online store. So currently, ayan siya, ang current ko na domain is best-decor-ph.myshopify.com. So medyo mahaba siya. So we want sana to use a domain that is easily remembered by your customers and yung mas madali ding i-type. So for you to be able to change this, you need to either buy a new domain or if you already have a domain na na-purchase, pwede nyong i-transfer or pwede ding i-connect siya sa isang existing na domain. If you click buy new domain, you will see here. So for example, we will have to check kung meron ng existing na domain na iisip nyo for the business. So, bestdecorph.com, for example. So, yan. So, since this one, wala pang gumagamit ng domain na to, ibig sabihin, pwede ko siyang bilhin. If you're going to purchase this to Shopify, it will cost you $14 per year. So aside from the subscription plan that you will settle every month, so meron ka pang domain na separate na payment. This one, it's okay naman kasi this is a good investment for your business, lalo na in the long run mo siya gagamitin. Another option that I could provide for this domain is you can also purchase it from a different provider din. One that I could think of is Namecheap. Yeah, Namecheap. So here's a namecheap.com. We could compare the price. So yung domain na naisip ko kay Shopify, it's $14 per year. Pag kay Namecheap, bestdecorph.com. Search. And then, may mga isasuggest din siya. Ayan. So, kay Namecheap, it will be $8.88 lang per year. But of course, it's up to you kung kung saan nyo siya ipapurchase. So, if you click add to cart dito, isa-set up nyo lang siya and then ililink nyo lang yung may mga papalitan lang kayong details na ipoprovide ni Namecheap papunta dito. So there you have it. We're already done creating a sample basic online business store using Shopify platform. Since you have 14 days free trial, you can explore how to set up the payments, the shipping, and the other items para mas maging attractive pa yung site and mas maging user-friendly pa siya for your customers. I hope you learned a lot from this session. Oh, by the way, if you would want to get a free limited easy shirt gaya ng suot ko ngayon, follow these easy steps. So first, post the screenshot ng sample online store na na-create nyo using Shopify. Send us the screenshot that you follow our Facebook page, Everyone Can Code, and idamay nyo na rin yung pag-follow sa YouTube channel namin, Everyone Studio. Watch our next ECC Live on May 3. That's all for today. Again, my name is Ashley. Till next time, bye!
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Marami ba kayong natutunan? Ano ang pinaka-nagustuhan ninyo sa session? Comment below your answer and the most creative answer will win the limited Everyone Can Code shirt. And to get your e-certificate and know more about our training offerings, simply scan the QR code. See you again on our next session. Bye!